Got two things going on in this package. One's blackout curtains for my new room setup. Yeah, a little bit darker. And then there's a light bulb in here I was trying out. Just see what it does. Okay, as the sun goes down, we're having heat waves like crazy. It's 101 degrees today. I'm wearing some thermal ones to just hopefully do something with my window. Plus, if you guys watch my live stream, which no one does, I need some blackout curtains in the back so I can start doing different designs. So my one viewer every week can be happy. These are heavy. That's nice. Different colors you can get. Link will be in the description below. We went with a 5263, which is the same size as my window. And right now, that's how much light's coming in. We're gonna go ahead and put the camera back in. That's the second time today I've had that fall out. We're gonna go ahead and put it up on the window and see how much it blacks out that window. Okay, so this is about 2 minutes later because I just used pins to put it up because we don't have curtains in this rental, and zero light through. That is way better than what I thought. I thought you'd at least see that the sun is up, but you can't see nothing. That's what it did look like. Awesome.